It's pretty wildly windy today over here. Very warm and windy. Of course, every time I say it's wildly windy, the wind slows down. That's to be expected. But yeah, it's tossing the branches around real good. Um, Nothing coming down yet, not that bad. But today is the weekend of Art on the Square downtown, which is like a half mile from here. So, I hope their tents are doing okay. Um, I'm not going down there. It's too hot for me. Too hot for me to be out there in a big slab of pavement. But I hope they're doing well. It's a nice event. They've been doing it for a long time. Um, Gosh, I think they started it right around the time I moved up here. So it's been a while. But yeah, you can see the branches tossing around pretty well out there. And I think there's a forecast for some nasty stuff to come later today. Storms and stuff, which wouldn't surprise me at all because that tends to be happening whenever we get really hot weather. But yeah, so there we go.